Hey guys, what's up? This is Trader Cause. Just wanted to do a quick market update following up from my previous video. Alright, so the Dixie found a clear top as I had mentioned, so I had adjusted this supply line. Check out my previous videos and you'll be able to follow what I'm talking about. Alright, so the Dixie is still showing strength, but it needs to put in a new lower low on the daily. Higher low on the daily. So for now, I think we're going to expect a green week in the markets. Keeping that bias in mind, SPY. So I'm expecting a push up from SPY, at least in this week, like a slow push up. Gold, go and retest this resistance. So it's a push up from gold. I'm not taking any of these trades because these are so you know that I took the short here to come down, but I'm not going to take this small trade from here to here. It seems kind of low risk to reward because the swing low is here. The resistance is here, and I don't want to take this chance, so I'm not trading this. Silver, I have my short active. I closed everything last week. I closed everything in the last video because of the Dixie reversal. Oil, weekly chart. Below 21 EMA close short, above 43.75 long, keeping the plan. ETH BTC. So ETH BTC actually looks a bit bearish. It looks like it's at resistance. So this still looks like it has to go lower. It put in a lower low from the previous time, so it looks like it has to go lower. So the ratio pair is lower. BTC. Now BTC is interesting because BTC is actually keeping the 21-week EMA, which is very sort of coherent with the bull market. But I do expect that we will find a bit of support, and right now it's in the channel, and as you guys know, I don't trade channels, so I'm just waiting for this channel momentum to die out. So once this is done, we'll see. So BTC for now, nothing. For now, with the green Dixie, I'm actually expecting, with the reversal in Dixie, I'm actually expecting F to go and retest this resistance a couple of times, but it's a choppy market, so I'm out. XRP I actually took the long, so I bought a truckload of spot longs on XRP because, as I've been mentioning in the previous few videos, if this week basically closes above this 21 and 50 week cross, then I was going to step in long. This is what I've been telling you guys, and I took the position. I'm slightly underwater. I took the position very close to this close, which is actually a little bit below where it closed at. That's how it was. So, but I'm slightly underwater on this one. Not so much, but like just slightly. LTC USDT. I think this one can. This one should also go lower, but like with keeping the Dixie bias in mind, that this all are gonna go retest the next resistance and come back. Alright, okay, so those are the major pairs. Reach out to me, comment. I hope. So the idea actually, I wanted you guys to understand how I charted, how I'm making the different pivot, because like I started off with this line, but then as we saw the weakness develop in confluence with this supply of this wick, I actually readjusted, and then I started following that as a bias. Now longer term Dixie, there's going to be a crash because Dixie is showing a longer strength and the higher time frame, because this goes up and this is going to come back down here or here, or we'll see the reversal, but basically there's a crossover here happening, so it's going to go back up. So that's the issue right now. So I'm expecting this to come down and then go and retest this and come down again. My higher time frame, of course, this is the big trade that you want, which is going to be the bull market on commodities, cryptos and stuff. So we did hit the zone, but I don't know if we're going to get another retest of this one. So let's just keep this at the moment, play it a step at a time. This is going to be a green week, as this has to find a bottom. And yeah, keep the bias and happy trading. Cheers guys.